Hey, what's going on? Our last video seems to have gained popularity and I hope you guys learn a lot from it. As I mentioned in the previous video, we will start discussing indicators in the subsequent videos. In today's video, we will talk about moving average and how to use it in a bear market. Subscribe to our KuCoin YouTube channel and smash that bell button to follow our future updates. Let's first look at the table of content of today's video. Firstly, I will provide the definition of moving average with you. Then, we will learn three types of moving average and how they are calculated by different standards. In the end, I will show you how to use it in our KuCoin trading interface step by step. So, how to understand the moving average? Typically, the technical traders use it as a tool to trace the market trend, compared to identifying the primary trend by connecting the high points and the low points. Using moving average is more manageable. The computer will do it for you. Also, the moving average can help you identify the reversal market signals even though it is lagging. Thirdly, as the moving average is derived from the crypto market's prices, it cannot use as the forecast. In this way, we should only regard the moving average to identify the primary trend. How many moving averages are there in the crypto market? There are three types of moving averages created for different purposes. The first one is called simple moving average, SMA. As name suggests, SMA is calculated by only taking all closing prices of different time durations into account. These prices are equally weighted. Then the weighted moving average, WMA, appears. It gives more weight to the recent price since its user believes that current prices are more important than historical prices. Last, exponential moving average, EMA, both contains all historical prices and gives more weight to the recent prices. It seems that the exponential moving average should be the most efficient. We will discuss these three types of moving averages in the next slide. How to use moving average in a bear market? The first step is to identify the most efficient moving average. Earlier, we talked about three moving averages. In this part, we will compare all of them. Firstly, these three moving averages are all efficient in crypto market. You can earn the profit by using them to identify the market trend. However, none of them is best performing in all markets, such as crypto market or stock exchange. Also, the long-term moving average outperform the short-term moving average since the long-term moving average contains more market data. Thirdly, simple moving average is better performing than the other two moving averages. So I suggest using the simple moving average as an auxiliary tool to identify the primary trend. So how to use it in current bear market with KuCoin trading interface? I will introduce a new term to you. It is trading moving averages crossover. It is easy to understand it with the help of KuCoin trading interface. From this video, you will see that we have directed to the KuCoin trading interface and I have measured the trading period as daily. We just click a small button with the sign of a trend line. It is indicators button. After clicking it, you will see a set of turns on the left side. You need to click the trend button and you will see the MA cross. It's on the right side. Normally, you need to add the format of MA cross to make it accessible to identify the cross points. Voila! Now you have two moving averages with different time durations and several cross points on the page. You will see that the cross point appears near the reversal market signals and it is lagging. The MA cross strategy is to call or to short at the cross points after identifying the primary trend. Before we end this video, here is a summary of all we have learned today. We have discovered 3 topics. Firstly, the moving average is the tool to help us identify the main trend, and it is lagging since it is not a market forecast. In addition, there are 3 types of moving averages. They are SMA, simple moving average, WMA, weighted moving average, and EMA, exponential moving average. All of them are efficient in the crypto market. At last, we have learned to use the MA Pros to trade with KuCoin trading interface. This is the end of today's video, and I hope you will learn from today's video. We are very welcome to receive your comments. We will learn another indicator, relative strength, RS, in the next session. Happy learning and happy trading with KuCoin.